My name is Miguel Garcia. I work for Key Renter Property Management. My role is a data analyst assistant. Basically, we deliver the reports that the team uses weekly, daily, and monthly. The issue that we wanted to solve with this platform was to deliver kind of real-time data. So the team could have the data whenever they need it, and that's what we are accomplishing right now. When we started thinking about delivering real-time data, we did research in the different business intelligence platforms that are available in the market, and we work with a platform called AppFolio. Bolt BI has a direct integration with that platform. That was the selling point for us to choose Bolt BI. We are using column widgets, pie chart widgets, tables, pivot tables, and gauge charts. The team uses it to track the properties that they manage. So some of them are vacant, some of them are rented, and mainly to have the properties that need immediate attention, issues regarding the owners or the tenants or even maintenance works. So all that stuff related to a property, and us being a property management company, we are in need of having to track easily and quickly those issues. So being able to have this data in the platform, it's perfect for the team. Instead of having to manually take the reports from the AppFolio's platform, AppFolio platform delivers the reports in a table, and it's a huge table with information. The team actually has a visual representation of that data that simplifies the work that they have to do. So instead of having to apply filters in the table delivered by AppFolio and reading all those numbers and all that stuff, having the dashboard from Bolt BI, it's easy for them to see the information that they need. Let's say the property manager would enter to the AppFolio's platform, then search for the report or maybe a set of reports to be able to have the complete data, and then downloading those reports, managing or manipulating the data in Excel, merging the reports in order to have the complete information or the complete vision of what's going on with the property, and then making their decisions. The difference right now with Bolt BI is that we integrate the data in Bolt BI, and then the data that is shown in the dashboard presents just the data that the PM is looking for. I would recommend Bolt BI for being used. We have real-time data that refreshes every 5 minutes, and the team is able to see those reports whenever they need them. We are actually in the process of building a sales dashboard in order to be able to track the new leads that come from another platform. So we are investigating kind of how we can join those platforms to be able to have the data in Bolt BI. But we are planning on keep using them. When we started, we had some other platform in mind to be using them. One of the main differences between both of them was the personalization in the widgets with Bolt BI were better than the other platform. So we can customize the color for each bar in a column bar widget, and that's not easily made in the other platform. Bolt BI has very good features that allows a lot of customization in the reports. We have 5 markets that we are managing, and so in a general dashboard we have a lot of widgets. If we do not customize the colors, it can mix the colors of one market in one widget and then completely different in another one. So being able to select the colors in every widget so we can match the same color for the market in all of the widgets, it's like easy for the managers to see the information.